Stretching and shrinking, section 1.5. If you know the graph of f of x, you can use it to get the graph of a times f of bx for positive numbers a and b as follows. By a factor of a, stretch the graph vertically if a is greater than 1, or shrink the graph vertically if a is less than 1. By a factor of 1 over b, shrink the graph horizontally if b is greater than 1, or stretch the graph horizontally if b is less than 1. So the original function is a upper semicircle, f of x equals square root of 1 minus x squared. If g of x is 2 times the square root of 1 minus the quantity 2x squared, then we're going to stretch it vertically by a factor of 2. We're multiplying the outputs by 2, so we stretch it vertically. Instead of going up to 1, it goes up to 2. And we're shrinking it horizontally by a factor of 1/2. So the transformation in the x direction usually goes the opposite direction in which you think it's going to go. It looks like maybe we should multiply by 2, but we're actually multiplying by 1/2 here. So instead of going out to from -1 to 1, it goes out from -1/2 to 1/2. Okay, so continuing with the transforming the original function, this upper semicircle, if we multiply it by 2, it stretches by a factor of 2. So g of x here, it's instead of going up to 1, it goes up to 2. And instead of here, we're shrinking it by a factor of 1/2. So instead of going from -1 to 1, it goes from -1/2 to 1/2. So the original function was a semicircle. In this case, the transformed functions are semi-ellipses. And that concludes this presentation.